superheated in various points.
Wow.
About 171 degrees Celsius, about 340 degrees Fahrenheit.
So you throw somebody in there, it's pressure.
Exactly.
These are actually the mud baths here, which is quite hot, so I can't fully submerge in it because it's too heated for my skin. So, but I'm just gonna show you guys now the mountain. You can actually see the mountain of the volcano that is smoking from this area here. As I get closer, you're gonna see it, and I'm gonna zoom in a little for you guys. Just let me get over these rocks, and I am gonna zoom in to show you guys exactly what it looks like from here. So they have mountains all around the mud pools that looks just like this, and they're smoking. This is a closer look at the mud volcanoes that you're seeing here. Actually, we are not allowed to go beyond this point. It's actually barred off so that you can't go beyond, just for safety purposes. But they are so amazing just to look at. You can see it from here how it's actually bubbling and all. So I'm zooming in for you guys to see how it's bubbling. That could be quite dangerous, so that's why they have the barricades where it is. Also, there are some springs in the compound as well that is running, and the water is boiling as well. If you look closely, you can actually see the smoke that's taking place there. The water is very hot.